Hi, Natasha here. I thought I would just give you a little overview of how to Zoom with me. A lot of people have used Zoom before, and a lot of you haven't. So I thought that I would just share my screen so that I could show you exactly what you're going to receive. So I'm going to go to my email. So I had my assistant send me a training video link. So you're going to see that it says join Zoom meeting, and you'll click the link below. So you're going to click this link. I'm going to try to click it to see if I can access it myself. Now, you don't need a Zoom account. If you have one, you would click here at the openzoom.us. If you don't, you can just go here and you press cancel first. Then it'll give you the option of clicking from your browser. So that way you can join Zoom even if you're not a Zoom person. It'll flag you again, click cancel, join from your browser. Join the meeting. You put your name in here, you click join, and now there will probably be two of me showing up at this meeting. Oh, okay, so it's a training video with Zoom, so I haven't attended the meeting. Please wait, and then you'll get connected to me. Anyway, hopefully that explains how you're going to access. We're going to leave that meeting now as we're recording. And that is how you access it.